This video is day 1 of our 6-night stay to Coco Plum Island Resort, Belize. If you're not familiar with that resort, it's an adults-only all-inclusive resort located about 9 miles off the mainland. In case you didn't see the travel day vlog, I'm going to do a short recap. After landing in Belize City, we took a short 17-minute hopper flight over to the Dangdriga Airport. And from there, we hopped in a van and we had a 10-15 minute ride over to the dock. At the dock, we hopped in the boat and we had about a 30-minute ride over to the resort. When we got to the resort, we were greeted very kindly by some staff, given a cold towel, some delicious mosquito bite drinks, and we were given a short orientation about the resort and what we can expect. And then us and our bags were taken over so we could see where we'd be sleeping and spending the rest of our vacation. All right, we arrived. We are, okay, so it's 3:30. We think that there's some bar snacks about this time.
Yeah, I think they said at 4, maybe 4:30.
So we are probably just gonna get settled in a little bit, probably not fully unpack, get a little snack. And then they went through everything, like what time breakfast is and dinner and lunch and all of that. And it was a lot of information. I really didn't take it all in.
Get a Wi-Fi.
We have to go get the Wi-Fi and give our credit card and do a couple things. So I think that's what we're gonna do now. Get a little food, let the room cool down, and initial reaction is it's just so beautiful. Like, it really is bigger than I thought it was going to be. We have such a beautiful view, which I was not concerned about the view at all. I know that all of the villas have nice views, but I'm just really happy that we're very close to the water, and I am just so happy to be here. You happy to be here?
I am, yeah.
How was your mosquito
beautiful.
Bite drink?
It was good. I like it. I had to pick it.
Yeah.
Pick it again. But how about you?
Yeah, it was good.
I mean, you're picky on drinks.
No, it was good. All right, our first stop was at White Building, where we got the Wi-Fi code. So it's 1 code per 2 devices. So we have a lot of devices, so we had to get a couple codes. Now we're gonna go over to the bar. We're gonna get a little libations, a little snacky snack, and see what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into. And this is where we eat dinner. They say if it's nice, you sit outside, or there's inside if it's not nice. And the bar is right over here. Little cornhole. Get after that. Yeah. I got a watermelon cooler. Let me tell you exactly what it is. I switched it up a little bit, but it sounded really refreshing.
Every day,
So, watermelon juice, vodka, ginger syrup, and mint leaves. I subbed the vodka for coconut rum. It's good. Okay, so the dinner menu is listed over here on the board. Let's see what we have for tonight. So these are our options today. When I booked, I already told them Kevin does not eat seafood and he's a pretty picky eater, and when we arrived, they acknowledged that and they said, if you don't like something, just let us know what you want to eat. All right, so our experience so far down at the bar was a good one. They have quite a few cocktails. Let me back up. Okay, so this is an all-inclusive resort, but it's a little different because it's a private island. There are 18 cabanas and 1 villa. So there's really only ever, I think the most people you can have here is 42. So it's a very, you know, boutique resort. The alcohol is included, but the local alcohol is included. So if you want imported liquors, like, you know, your name brand, like Tito's, Malibu, Don Julio, things like that, you pay for that. They do have a happy hour every day. I believe it's 4 to 6, and they run specials. Cocktails were all good. They have a whole list of things you can choose from. There are prices on the menus, the drink menus, but as long as you're ordering from the local list, it's not gonna charge you. You do sign every time you order a drink, and it's not for monetary purposes, it's just so they can keep track of inventory. What else? The snack today was chicken sliders. Very good. So every day there's a bar snack around 4 o'clock, and it seems to be like that's the place. Like, we met like so many people right at that bar right around 4 o'clock because everyone knows you go for the bar snacks. We're gonna unpack now. On the way back, I stopped off at, like, I don't know, would you call it like the lobby? Like, I don't know. The little building, the white building where we got our Wi-Fi code. I picked up a book. They have a little library. So I've had this Listen for the Lie. I've had this on my list to read. And I have 2 books downloaded on my Kindle, but I figure I might as well read a paperback first, and then I'll go over to my Kindle next. But I gotta go. It's too much yapping. So we're gonna unpack, shower, go to dinner, and we'll see ya. Alright, I'm going to start my OOTD, and then when Kev is done, he's going to jump in. I'm going to start off with the lighting is pretty bad. It actually maybe looks okay in the camera right now. It looks bright because I am actually standing right under a light, but it's actually very dark back there. Second, there's no full-length mirror, so I do not really know what I look like, so you can let me know. And what was I gonna say next? Also, there's like nowhere really to do a full-length shot, so you're on top of the safe. And I'm just gonna step back, and hopefully you can hear me from way over yonder. So going super cash today. My son's girlfriend did my hair yesterday morning, and I hope to just keep it this way as many days as possible because it's literally like 93 degrees here and it's so hot. Did like no makeup. I literally just put mascara on and that was it. So tank top, linen pants, and some Tory Burch sandals. That's what I got for dinner tonight. Also, it is 7:23.
Wow.
I
This
think,
is the latest.
so we're in a 2-hour time difference. So this is actually 9:30 for my body. So I'm a little bit hungry. Kev, his shirt is from Old Navy. Pants are probably from Costco. He's just gonna throw some sneakers on. You got anything else you want to talk about?
No, I think that's it. It's just warm.
Okay, it's warm. Yeah, so we have maintenance here right now. So the air is on. We just don't really feel like it's cooling. I think he's below us, checking the Freon. You can probably hear us because it is a little toasty. We did get a fan in here now, so when that's on, it's not that bad, but it's warm. It's a little warm. And that's not gonna be good for sleeping. So hopefully we can get that fixed, but we're gonna go to dinner because it's too late. I gotta go to bed. As I'm walking out the door, I think I might have just said I'm wearing a tank top and linen pants and not told you anywhere where it was from. The heat got to me. My tank top is from Amazon. I will try to link it for you. And my linen pants are from Costco last season, so you won't find them. I don't think you'll find them. We're just keeping our shoes outside so we don't get sand in the house. chose to eat dinner inside tonight because we were just so overheated from our room that was pretty warm. So we split the appetizer, which was a coconut carrot soup, and that was really tasty actually. I wasn't quite sure how that was going to be. And then for the mains, I did a pork schnitzel, and this was just so wonderful. It was beautifully cooked. And then Kevin went with a pineapple rum chicken, and that was lovely as well. For desserts, we had cheesecake. I think one was covered in passion fruit and the other one was chocolate peanut butter. So this is the inside of the dining room. And then there's outside seating as well. What'd you get, Kev?
I think it was like a banana colada, basically.
Frozen to cool off.
Yeah, frozen to cool off. My hair's broke. We're fixing it tomorrow. Banana.
Try your, I almost said carrot cake. Try your cheesecake.
It's good. How was yours?
That's good. Want to talk about Din's?
Yeah, it was good. I had the rum pineapple chicken.
Everything was good. I was happy. They ask you a lot of questions, so if you want a regular size portion, small, a large size portion, they're very inquisitive into what you like to eat, what you don't like to eat. I think they have a journal in the back on every guest, was it not cooked to your liking? How come you didn't eat all your vegetables? What about it do you not like? Just they're very Kevin likes very few vegetables. So we had to say okay, he doesn't eat tomatoes. And then she's like, okay, do you not like tomatoes at all? Would you eat tomato sauce? And it's like, do you eat ketchup? Yes, I eat ketchup. Yes, I eat pasta sauce. You know, and I'm like, he'll take his tomato off of a burger. He would not eat tomatoes in a salad. You know, she wanted to know why I didn't eat all my vegetables. Do you not like something? I'm like, no, I ate the broccoli, I ate the zucchini. It was a big...
You're just full.
It was a big portion. So originally when she said, you know, what size do you want? I said a small portion, and then she kind of talked me out of it. She was like, oh, do you want to just do the regular for tonight so you can see our portion size and then adjust for the remaining days? I'm like, you know what, that's a good... way to go, because I also haven't eaten very much today. I just had, this morning for breakfast, I had a few bites of avocado toast, and then I had the cheese and crackers on the plane. And then when we came here around 4 o'clock, I had one of those chicken sliders, and then now for dinner. So I'm glad that I had the regular portion size, but I definitely told her that tomorrow I probably would go small. But I thought everything was good. The staff are all just so friendly. Yeah. So friendly. Every single person that we have interacted with is just so lovely. And I'm trying so hard to remember everyone's names because they all know our names. And I'm sure that we're just causing a frenzy at this resort with 40 people because we have all these cameras. We're filming pictures. It's out of control. So I already know tomorrow we're gonna be the talk of this freaking place. Our air conditioning is broken. Basically they said they ordered a new unit, so there'll be a new unit in here tomorrow, probably around 11 a.m. But for tonight we kind of just have to suck it up. So we are gonna just crank the fan. They brought in just a regular old fan here. So we're gonna crank that up and get some rest, and then hopefully tomorrow we're just freezing. I told our server, Kayla, that I want it to be snowing in here. I want it to be shivering. She laughed. She's like, I don't think we can make it snow, but we can make you shiver. I'm like,
we said we're gonna go sleep in her room.
Yeah, she said her room wasn't that cold, but I said, I don't know. You haven't been to my room. So, yep. Anything else you want to add?
I think that's it. That's it for tonight, you know. Snorkels tomorrow and breakfast, lunch.
We'll show you whatever we do, but yeah, we're definitely going to do snorkeling tomorrow. Well, Kev is at least. I don't know. I'm undecided if I'm going to go or not.
So I think Brittany should go. Maybe bring a couple rum drinks. for us.
Yeah, he was like, oh, you could bring a couple drinks and you could be the bartender on the boat. How did I become a working bartender now on this excursion? Like, what? He wants me to go so I could serve him drinks. Get the heck out of here. All right, you have any questions? Leave them down below and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.